Making extra money can be life changing, and side hustles are one of the best way to increase your income. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or achieve financial freedom, having a side hustle that makes at least $1,000 per week can help you get there. In this video, I will share 10 powerful side hustles that can help you earn over $1,000 every week. Some of these side hustles require little to no investment, and other can turn into full-time businesses. So watch until the end to find the best side hustle that fits your skill and lifestyles. So first of all, welcome to our channel and freelancing. So first point is freelancing. So let's start it. Freelancing is one of the fastest way to start making money online. Many companies and business owners need help with tasks like writing, graphic design, video editing, and digital marketing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to find clients. A skilled freelancers can charge high rates, and with consistent work, it is possible to earn over $1,000 per week. Drop shipping. So, dropshipping is an e-commerce business where you sell products online without keeping inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the products directly to them. With the right strategy, dropshipping can generate significant profits. Finding trending products and marketing them effectively on social media or through ads can make this a high earning side hustle. Now, third is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Many companies, including Amazon and software businesses, after affiliate programs by creating content through blogs, YouTube videos, or social media. You can generate sales and earn commissions. Some top affiliate markets make thousands of dollars per week. Print on demand businesses. Print on demand allows you to sell custom designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without managing inventory. Platforms like Printify and Teespring handle production and shipping. The key to success is creating unique designs and marketing them effectively on social media or through online stores. Many people make thousands per week by selling viral designs. Now, YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be portfolio, profitable, long-term side hustle. With the right content strategy, creators can make money through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. The key to success is choosing a niche, being consistent, and providing value to your audience. Many YouTubers earn thousands of dollars per week once they gain a loyal audience. Now, a stock market and crypto trading. So, investing in stocks and cryptocurrency can be profitable side hustle if done correctly. While this requires knowledge and some initial capital, experienced traders can make consistent profits. Swing trading and day trading strategy help maximize returns. However, it is important to manage risk and avoid investing money you cannot afford to lose. Now, other is online tutoring. If you have experience and expertise in a subject, online tutoring is a great way to make money. Many students needs help with subjects like math, science, and English. Platforms like VIP Kid and WY Giant cannot connect tutors with students. With high hourly rates, dedicated tutors can make over $1,000 per week. Teaching a specialized skill like coding or a foreign language can be even more profitable. Now, selling digital products. So, creating and selling digital products is one of the best passive income side hustle. Digital products include ebooks, templates, online courses, and stock photos. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with no extra efforts. Platforms like Garmod and Etsy allow creators to sell their digital products worldwide. Many digital product sellers earn thousands per week. Real estate side hustles. Real estate offers multiple ways to generate income. One of the best side hustle is rental arbitrage, where you rent properties and list them on Airbnb for a profit. Another option is wholesaling real estate, where you find distressed properties and sell contracts to investors. Both methods can generate thousands per week with the right strategy. Now, social media management. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts, and this is where social media managers come in. If you are good at creating content and growing engagement, you can offer this service to a small businesses. Many social media managers charge high fees, and with multiple clients, it is possible to earn over $1,000 weekly. Now, so conclusion is these 10 side hustle have the potential to make your over $1,000 per week. Whether you choose freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or any other hustle, the key is to take action and stay consistent. So, in this video, that's it. Let me know in the comments which side hustle interests you the most. So, write in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching this video.